Functional managers are responsible for managing and coordinating the activities of a specific functional area within an organization. This can include areas such as finance, marketing, human resources, and operations. Functional managers are typically responsible for setting goals and objectives for their teams, as well as developing and implementing strategies to achieve these goals. They also play a key role in hiring, training, and developing team members, as well as evaluating their performance. One of the key responsibilities of functional managers is to ensure that the activities of their teams are aligned with the overall goals and objectives of the organization. This requires them to have a strong understanding of the organization's strategic direction and to ensure that their team's efforts are focused on supporting this direction. They also need to be able to communicate effectively with other functional managers and senior leaders within the organization to ensure that their team's activities are coordinated with those of other teams. In addition to managing the activities of their team, functional managers are also responsible for managing resources and budgets within their functional area. This includes setting financial targets, allocating resources, and ensuring that their team is working efficiently and effectively. They may also be involved in decision-making processes and in developing and implementing policies and procedures within their functional areas. Overall, functional managers play a crucial role in the smooth operation of an organization. They are responsible for ensuring that their team is working effectively towards the organization goals and for managing and coordinating the activities of their functional areas. By effectively managing their team and resources, functional managers contribute to the overall success of the organization. Functional managers play a key role in the success of a project. They are responsible for managing the activities of their functional areas and ensuring that it is aligned with the overall goals and objectives of the project. This includes setting goals and objectives for their team, developing and implementing strategies to achieve these goals, and managing resources and budgets within the functional areas. One of the main responsibilities of functional managers in a project is to ensure that their team is working efficiently and effectively towards attaining the project goals. This involves coordinating the activities of their team with those of the other functional areas, as well as communicating regularly with other functional managers and project leaders to ensure that everyone is on the same page. They may also be involved in decision-making processes and in developing and implementing policies and procedures related to their functional areas. In addition to managing the activities of their team, functional managers may also be involved in the overall management of the project. This can include participating in project planning, setting project timelines and milestones, and monitoring project progress. They may also be responsible for identifying and addressing any challenges or issues that arise during the course of the project. Overall, the role of functional managers in a project is to ensure that their team is working effectively towards the project goals and to coordinate the activities of their functional area by those of other teams. By effectively managing their teams and resources, functional managers contribute to the overall success of the project. See you in the next lecture.